Trained teachers are omoyo omayinimu atimi akopie GES head office one crime. Omon some omoka nyina ne say omachade for 10 good months omonya receive payment bia.
Makọ university ewie from adwuma na on adwuma na ye be 10 months na untia me kana ba o se wabu me. So babunyen like one kasa ye onim nyansa kra.
Na complaints e free oban sabushi ebi mu kre kire mu a omo staff ID nya mae.
Ya bre nyesa ya bre mpo ye bre. Edru say staff ID mra ne dia ba jam ya manage ni sika. Me staff ID mine.
Na previous government no ne omo penso and I say these trained teachers they were into service and as they were into the teaching system. Now when they get to the GES head office at Accra na Busia, omo ni police and as a SWAT team omo no etimi enya kasakasa because they were making noise and they were protesting. It's more like a protest but in a calm way.
Not all of you can be leaders, so leave the premises. We are giving you only 3 minutes to leave these premises. Are you watching? Hello? Are you watching?
But the SWAT team was saying that they were making noise and then they pleaded them to go back because it is not an appropriate time to protest and seek for your payment because it is too early. Government no ba so no afi enoye yenyoma. The government is saying that they are resetting Ghana and resetting, you know, omonya resetting do baby. And for you coming out to complain, showing early complaints, they say, and you might be in there. So now these are some of the footages and videos coming from these trained teachers are no more complaining because of staff ID grammar Accra. Into Moka the money need so class say if government is starting paying the trained teachers or much now for the past 10 months, they will not be able to get DS because almost staff ID cry and buy. Now let's watch some of the footages that came from a visit to the GES head office Accra.
Ya bre nyesa ya bre mpo ye bre 10 good months. Adenti na me ye be post yen medical akwaja obi 2 weeks nipa na ba edru say staff ID mra ne dia ba jam ya manage ni sika me staff ID mine even kwa me call before ansa na ye bi school mpo bone be na ya baby a edru gi say ye frɛ ye maame mo ye nua mo ansa na ye didi nta ye bone say ye call school ana bone mo so ra mo si ye nko school ya ko school no so na ye adwuma dia o say mo de maye na ye so ye ho toye no mo mfa maye nta ye bone abusuya mi bisa mo ma mo wofie bone say ye nko school
The community knows very well that
omo hwe ya de yesra mo nyina ne say 10 months menya sure so omo ti office wo obi anya 10 months ayentua ne odo omo mfa omo na me hye ye shoes mu na omo hwe heat ewom nti yesra omo dia o so omo ye maya ye ho beto yen no na yesra omo nya maya.
Yes, not only that, a lot more came from one student, one trained teacher na or no free the northern part of Ghana or by na which said that the police or the SWAT team are not treating them very well because they were too harsh on them because they came to let you complain and then you cannot tell them to go. One kwa obe hiteno.
Una obe channel dia onka. 10 months was free for no ba. Ah, boss northern region no. Ana maba northern region. Ana maba be do ase. Enti na ka hu sa na me do ase na obi me ka chance obe abunyen because of say police ni yana say dabi obi an ka police no threaten so police ni threaten yen so see MP e bia be gina say e ho na obe gina o ya be ma fa say e be bo check
because Abushia they are all under government they are all under government appointment or government working field, you know. When you are receiving your payment and they are also there to complain, you shouldn't be saying things that is going to provoke them. You know, say you are there to protect that day. But when it comes to money matters, you must also consider yourself saying, say, if it was you, how were you going to deal with it? And sana na akwano the newly trained teacher na or northern region na or then some the most of the videos also came from that scene. Now let's watch another one.
Let us all unite to uphold and make and great and strong. We are all involved. We are all involved. We are all
We again someone are trending now. We cannot keep it with ourselves, you know. Anything that drops on the media space, we always bring it to you on our platform. Hi, Karma Studios. If this is your first time, share your opinion under the comment section, and don't forget to share this video to your friends and your loved ones so that they will also get to know whatever is trending on the media space. Now I go by the name Sticky the Soup Pastor, your favorite and the youngest content creator. I'm finally out.